What's up, everyone? My name is Philip Sahagun. I'm a 7-time national and 3-time international martial arts champion. In my career, I've been featured on major projects with the likes of Jackie Chan, Donnie Yen, Tina Turner, and Cirque du Soleil, both as an artist and a martial arts coach. This summer, I'd like to invite you to journey to the heart of China to study traditional Shaolin Temple Kung Fu. I designed this training camp to be a total immersion, live-in martial arts experience, where each practitioner will be able to study for 7 days inside an authentic martial arts academy, as well as journey to the world-famous Shaolin Temple of China. For me, it is of the utmost importance that each person who joins our training camp gets exactly what they're looking for, because when I took my first trip to China over 10 years ago, it completely changed my life and deeply impacted me as a martial artist. So, for those of you who like to get more information or who would like to register, please visit kungfuheroes.com, and I hope to see you in 2018.